Hey, right now, a lot of you are thinking, how can I get people to my open house in this COVID-19 pandemic? Well, forget strapping up with the gloves and the mask and all this junk. Why not just offer them a solution where they can be at the open house but not physically be there? So the easy solution is just to literally go live online. We live in the digital world, so why not take advantage of it? And by going live, I'm talking about Facebook. So let me do a quick demonstration. So if you're gonna go live on Facebook, you want people to be there, right? Of course, you don't wanna do it live and you just see the 0 people watching. That's annoying and a waste of time. So what you wanna do is make a Facebook event and pretty much draw traffic to that event. So if you've heard of Facebook events, people normally do them for birthdays, concerts, any type of maybe festival or something. So this is gonna get people to your Facebook Live. So you wanna draw people in. You wanna get people to this Facebook event. And you wanna do this by, posts on Facebook, just saying, hey, like you can literally share the event on your feed so other people can see it. Another way is, one of my favorites is to run an ad to it if you're a little bit more advanced or you just have somebody do it for you. And this way, if you run an ad, you can also send kind of like auto reminders as the days leading up to it. Hope you can read that. It says auto reminders. And there's so many different ways. Like you can just text. You could do the old traditional method and just call people about it. You can also send it out to your email list. You can also, like calling, you could call, let's say some buyer's agent and say, hey, share this with your client and have them check it out and they go live. So this is a very valuable way to get people to your Facebook event, to then get them on to watch your Facebook Live and see your open house as it's going on. And you might be like, what am I going to do with the Facebook Live? And it's simple. You take the phone out, put the face camera on so they can see you, and you literally just walk around the house and say, oh, here's the finished basement. Check out the nice hardwood floors, all that good stuff. So it's a very simple solution. You can do this because a lot of people are paranoid and are worried because it is a serious thing. It's no need to downplay it at all. So people want to take, safety into consideration. So this is the best way and one of the best ways to get around this, where people can feel safe but can still look at some beautiful homes that you have to offer. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, comment, DM me, whatever, and I'll be sure to help you out.